Our passenger terminals are also equipped with CCTV cameras. So these CCTV cameras hopefully would deter lawless elements from, doing their thing inside the port premises, because these cameras are capable of zooming in to the faces of the passengers coming inside our passenger terminals. CCTVs right now at selected areas. However, at the end of the year, the CPA will be putting up more cameras, more than 30 cameras at strategic points at the gates, and cameras also inside the new terminal in Pier 1. So right now there are CCTV cameras, but they are strategically placed in the different areas. And then for the information also of everybody, our passenger terminals are equipped with Wi-Fi, so they can be online whenever they are in the passenger terminal. So, however, we also would like to inform them that if everybody access the Wi-Fi at the same time, so they might experience some lag in the connection. But rest assured, Wi-Fi is there, and our passenger terminals are already augmented with the necessary police force. The security guards are posted at strategic areas in anticipation also of the heavy influx of passengers.